Anuprakash Reddy from 3rd year CSC Geetham Bangalore. I'm here to interact with two of our seniors, Varsha and Saujanya. Let's interact with them now. How are you both?
I'm fine.
I'm fine too. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also good, I think so. How about your classes going on? It's online, right?
Actually good, but still we prefer offline than online because we can actually meet our friends after a long time. We can actually chit chat with them. But still we miss those days.
Even my opinion is the same because in offline we enjoy with them, we roam around in college, but in virtual we'll only see the laptop screen every time. So I sort of miss offline classes.
What about the college?
We do miss the college, all that stuff and scenery. It used to be so good being in that place. We do miss those.
The most greenery in our college, it's like we love the greenery in our college. And now it is not there, we miss it. It's been 1.5 years that we are in college at all. So we miss it a lot.
Yeah,
even I too miss the college, but it is better to be at home than college, I think so.
And
It's
why
not
is that
for
like that?
Because there is more time for me to spend with my family, I think so. I won't get this much opportunities to spend with them in my life anymore, I think so.
it's final year for us, so it's better we be with our friends. Later we can actually meet
Yeah.
our family in our case.
I mean, you have 1 more year, so maybe you can meet your friends in 1 more year, but we
started or not, we can't guarantee that, right? By taking present COVID increasing cases.
Anything can happen.
Yeah, anything may happen, but we can't guarantee, right? Yeah.
That's
How
true.
come you have known about the Geetham? Why you preferred it to join?
It's because of the infrastructure, the hostels are good, the teaching staff is good, supportive, and they actually guide us in every step. So we had chosen them.
What about you?
Even I chose Geetham because of that. And one more thing, it's in Bangalore itself. And some of my friends also study here. And as soon as I saw the college, and it has that royal look to that. When you first enter it, it shows that royal look. And I love that greenery there. So I choose this college.
Okay, cool. And why you preferred only engineering, that to CSC? What's the reason behind that?
Actually, I'm good at I like coding, and I actually spend most of my time coding itself. So that's the reason I just chosen computer science.
Well, my answer won't be same to Varsha. It's like half of the answer every engineering student gives. Like it's from the parents' insistence that I joined engineering. And computer science is the only branch where physics is not used much. So it is computer
most
science.
afraid of physics subject, I think so then.
Very much. I am so scared of physics that I keep studying so that I don't fail in that subject. So after that, when I started learning computer science subjects and all, I started loving it more.
Okay. Then I came to know that Varsha, you have been selected in Legato, I think so, right now?
Yeah.
You preferred Legato?
Yeah.
Why
I have
so?
got the job of associate professional in Legato Healthcare.
Okay. And you, Saujanya, what would you give as the advice to juniors?
To juniors, I would not give much of an advice because even if I give advice, I think not.
Many, right? That's why.
Yeah, I don't speak to many, but all the advice I can give is not to give up. Like try hard, study hard. In that way, don't stop your enjoyment. You enjoy, but you enjoy while studying. Balance both. That is enough.
I would like to say whatever you do, just enjoy your work. Like if you don't like coding, just go into something where coding is not there and start learning that. Or if you are interested in some field, just go to that in a depth format so that actually you can get your interviews in the same way. Like if you're like in my case, I would like to say that I'm very much interested into web development. I have just done a few projects on that and I have gained experience on that. So that made me in these 5 companies, I would say.
Okay, how do you think that our GCGC team faculty had helped you achieve your dreams? I think so.
Yeah, they have given us some good training, and in case of like in case where we were a little bit down, they have always helped us. They have given whatever they could do to us. They have given all kinds of what they say, like they have actually told us to learn like this. They have just guided our ways, so which made us actually get into these companies, I would say.
I do have a same opinion. Like when we know what to do, like we'll get jobs or not. What we know, we don't have any skill set at that time. So at that time, it was GCGC team. Like they helped us in CRT, in technical. So they the little training we had or the little knowledge we had, they increased it. They enhanced that more. So it increased our thinking, like okay, we can do this in this way also. Since I was weak in coding, because of this training and all, I had learned coding. I'm okay, I'm good at it now because of all these trainings, and they help like how to come for interviews or how to answer in the interviews. We had mock interview also, mock tests. So these all helped us to know in which domain we are weak and in which we are strong and in which we need to concentrate more. So these all overall helped us a lot.
From which year you have started preparing for the placements?
It's not a single year, I can say. Like I was interested in coding, so I started in the first year itself. So later I just explored this web development. I felt little bit interest in that in the second year, so I started with that again. So it just it's like whatever comes into my way, I just learn it. Once I like it, then I'll just go with that. That's it.
Then about Saujanya?
It's not like that. Since she was interested in coding, but I was interested in aptitude more. So I started learning aptitude from 10th itself, but even I didn't stop after coming to engineering. I learned it for 2 years. The first 2 years I was only into reasoning, logical, all the aptitude, and later on then I realized that is not the only thing. We need to learn technical also. Then I started learning technical in the second year ending, and when I was coming to the third year, it is pretty late by then, but it is better.
Even late also, you got 6 companies, right? That's something which should be noted, I think so.
I think I'll thank my faculty and GCGC for that, because they helped me train in such a way, and even the past experiences, those all helped me while preparing for the coming interviews.
Okay. Then what do you think, apart from the technical skills, we should develop in personal skills? Like for as your advice we are asking.
Personal skills you can develop is be confident. Like you know the answer, but when you are not confident about your answer, no recruiter will believe that you know it. So even if you lie, even if you don't know the answer and you are trying to say something, be confident in that.
Okay.
Don't stammer. If you are confident and if you look presentable, that itself is enough for in the presentation skills.
Yeah, even I would like to tell the same thing. You need to know how to manage your issues. Like in case of any problem given, you need to manage it. the way you need to manage that, those skills need a little bit of experience.
Then, do you both have any similarities, and I mean, like any similar memories, like doing
Yeah, we
together?
had in our CRT classes. We used to be in the same section. So we actually used to be like a fun class mostly because we used to like
CRT was
bit of
most fun for us.
yeah.
We used to solve problems together. Sometimes it is like who solves it first, and sometimes it is we are solving together when it is difficult ones.
Okay.
Yeah, in some cases, if sir answers like a little bit of kind of different answer, we used to see each other's faces and we used to laugh.
And sometimes it is like we both get same answer and some others get different answer and then telling that one. We used to argue in reverse. No sir, this is the correct answer. We both got this one.
And
We'll argue for hours.
we used to argue with each other also.
Sometimes when we get different answers, we argue with each other also. No,
My answer is
how
correct.
did you
your
do
answer
this
is
method?
correct.
Yeah, and many times we we used to do the same kind of method used to be the same methodology, and sometimes it used to vary, and we used to exchange things like who is doing in a better method. We used to exchange our methods.
Like
Okay.
one will be the long one and one will be the short one. So sometimes we do in the same method, but somewhere the calculation will go wrong.
Yeah,
So that used to be the case, and sometimes it used to be the fastest and longest method. And we also had memories with CR meetings
yeah,
and coordinator meetings. We used to have fun there.
Only you both or anyone included with you?
yeah, many
All the
CRs.
coordinators.
I mean, like most interacted. Like now you are saying, right? We both are so much interacted with each
Wasn't
other.
like that. We
Like-
all used to interact with everyone. It
Okay.
wasn't that only.
We interact with everyone.
Yeah.
We make fun of everyone. We make fun of each other.
Yeah.
But it is like not even two persons. It's like everyone in the meeting.
Yes, yes, yes. Then we shall conclude by a piece of advice from both of you for our juniors.
I would like to say just keep on working, just keep on talking with each other, and there should be some kind of communication skills also. So speaking actually enhances that, and in some cases take this leadership opportunity so that you will have the leadership qualities also getting into you. And just keep on going whatever chances you get, whatever opportunities you get, they just don't miss those. That's it.
Okay, okay. What about you?
Even I'll tell the same, but I'll tell the same thing. Be confident in what you are doing and be confident in what you tell. Learn, practice. I mean, like, if you are in the basics, don't think you don't know anything. You can start. It's never too late.
Yeah.
So I think that would be the best advice. It's never too late to start anything.
Okay, thank you so much. It's been a great time spending with you both.
It's great time talking to you also.
Yeah.
Hope so you get further more in your selected regions, I think so.
Thank you for that.
Thank you.